another beautiful day to do some maths. What have you got here? You do some Venn diagrams. Excellent. What are you going to put in your Venn diagrams? Going to go for a walk? Collect some nature? Okay, Barley's back from his walk. He's found some things from the walk and in our garden. And now we're going to try and sort them into 2 groups. What groups are we going to sort them into? Barley's going to sort them into all the things that are white, those that are flowers, and yes, you're sitting right in the middle where there'll be white flowers. Okay, let's see what we've got first. Okay, now this one has come from our garden. That is white, but it's also a flower, so it's got to go in the middle. Okay. Next one, this is wisteria from our garden. It is not white, but it is a flower. So that's going with the flowers. Okay. Dandelion. Not white, but a flower. Where's that going, Barley? With the flowers. Okay, so golf ball. It is not a flower, but it is white. So that's going with the whites. Have you finished? I think you have. Got all the white items in the white. We saw a white butterfly. Golf ball and the feather. 2 white flowers and various flowers, dandelion, buttercup, forget-me-nots, wisteria, plus another. Well done, Barley. So today we're doing Venn diagrams, in particular looking at the vocabulary and how to draw a Venn diagram. Start with a rectangle. This will include all the items from Barley's walk. It's called the universal set, the symbol being an elaborate E as shown. Then we draw one circle to represent the flowers. We'll call that set A. Another circle for the white items, that's set B. Where these 2 overlap, we call that the intersection. So a reminder of the items Barley found: white lilac, wisteria, dandelion, forget-me-not, golf ball, feather. I looked up the one I didn't know and it's called Commelina colestis, and as that is a bit of a mouthful, I discovered somewhere else it's called Sleeping Beauty. A buttercup, hawthorn, butterfly and oak leaves. Pause the video here and try sorting them yourself. Did you get that all right? What about the oak leaves? Did you know to put them outside the circles but inside the rectangle? Because it's not white or a flower, but it was something that we picked up on our walk. Now for some more vocabulary. Each item in the universal set is called a member. How many members are in the universal set? I'm showing them all here. it's 11. Notice the use of the curly brackets to open and close the set. How many members are in set A? Be careful to include those in the intersection. And that makes 7. And in set B, including the intersection, that's 5. How many members are in set A or B? Notice the symbol used here looks like a U, so I think of that as A with the union with B. So that's A and B united, so that's all of the items in A and B. Being 10. How many members are in the intersection? And notice the symbol here, A, with an upside down U, B. So just 2. So following on from last lesson, can you answer these questions to work out fractions, decimals and percentages? What percentage of set A and B are white? What fraction of set A and B are white flowers? And what proportion of set A and B are only in set B? Give your answer as a decimal. I suggest you pause the video here. So 50% of A and B were white, 1/5 are white flowers, and the proportion of items that are just in set B as a decimal is 0.3. See if you can draw your own Venn diagrams and send me your pictures. Here are some ideas. Sort Bertie's toys from last lesson into some that are red and some that are animals. Ask friends and family what foods they like. I suggest you choose just 2, but you could extend it to 3. Can you tell me how I've sorted my Cuisinière rods? And here are 2 I used for an A-level student this week to help her with proof. So they'll be useful right up until you get to the end of your school days. There's lots of room for you to use your imagination here, so I'm looking forward to seeing what you come up with.